Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. Let's start with the question. Use the marking tool to identify the simile in paragraph 1. Alright, a simile is a comparison of two things using like or as. So using the two words like or as, something looked like this, something was as fast as this, okay? And then we want to see, there's this other set of instructions down here. Mark the entire sentence that contains the simile. So too often we rush through these questions and we don't actually see that secondary piece of information, that second piece of instruction that sometimes will get us to get the wrong answer. So we need to read this very carefully. Identify the simile, but then mark the entire sentence. So paragraph 1 is where the simile exists, and this is paragraph 1 right here. There are many types of clouds that fill the sky. Warm days sometimes bring high wispy clouds that look like white paint strokes on a blue canvas. Did you see the comparison? What's happening? There's these wispy clouds, right? They're thin, maybe stringy in the sky. And then there's this talk about white paint strokes on a blue canvas. Well, the blue canvas is probably being compared to as the sky. And then the white paint strokes, you could see the author or the painter painting that canvas with a paintbrush. And so the author's trying to get us to see that these clouds, that there are different types of clouds, and some clouds are wispy, and then they've got this like paint stroke look across the sky. And this is the simile. And I know it's a simile because the clouds are being compared to this paint stroke on a canvas, and there is this word like right here. Like. So a simile, remember, uses like or as to compare two things. So I'm going to identify the entire sentence, and I'm going to use my marking tool, and that is my answer. That is the simile.